Today I'll show what needs to be done to work with a sales manager. In property management, the sales manager is a very important topic. We can display the sales manager table, which includes the manager ID, manager name, mobile number, email, and other information. So, just like before, we'll create this and build a form so that data can be entered. For this, I will create a grid form. We will select from the grid here. Then we'll select the object name. Here, two pages are being created, one for the form and one for the report. We can see the grid is appearing, and the form has been created alongside the grid. Here, for the manager ID, I will use a trigger so that the manager ID is auto-generated. I will run this trigger so that the manager ID is generated automatically. Since the manager ID will be generated automatically, we'll hide the manager ID. We'll convert the active column into radio buttons. We will hide the user-related columns and use global parameters. Now I will enter data for testing purposes and verify it. We can see that after entering the data, the report is displaying it. Now I will modify this report. Here, I modified the query to use a left join with my user table and will display the username instead of the user ID. I used a case function for the active flag. Here, I will hide the unnecessary columns.